So I've been struggling to think of this mouth section, what I really want to do with it. It's kind of too small and nimbly to do what I did on the fastest fish. And to be honest, I don't really want that look. I wanted that kind of inward scoop look. So I've come up with a bit of a plan, if you can see here. So what I've decided to do is I've made up these bits. So this is basically just the 80mm strip. Actually, we've got a clever little doohickey here. I'll show you this clever little thing here. So because I know the diameter was 176, if you can see there, that is the circumference. So really clever little, I have no idea where it's from, it's my dad's. That's how we come up with the length that will fit perfectly to our back circle. And the idea is I'll make this unit that sits in there. I'll obviously be cutting out the center, and then I'll mount the grill mesh, which is that bit there, that very lovely little grid drawing there. So the grill mesh will essentially be mounted in the back of it, and then the whole piece will get welded in as an entire unit, welded along the edge, which isn't ideal, but because it's 2mm this is, so you've got a nice thick edge to weld on, so that should be relatively similar to the fins really. And the other thing is I can keep this piece out until I'm ready to finalise the whole thing. If I add anything down here, I need to do that before I weld this bit in. I've already drawn the line because I forgot to record, but basically I've just drawn around there. And there we go. That should sit in there simply. So I made a few alterations, as you can see. It's now light, it made more sense. The only thing I have done is welded this in, this edge. If anyone does ever come to see this and they want it hung somewhere, the power cable, I don't want to drill a hole until I know if it's being hung, if it's being mounted, until I know the specification of where it's going to be actually going and spending the rest of its days. I think it makes sense to just leave it as it is. So the only thing I might do is I might do like a Spitfire styled exhaust theme down the side, maybe. But at this stage, I think we're better off leaving it at that until I've got some either titanium or stainless pipe or something. I'm a bit worried because it might actually lose its elegance if I go and put loads of pipe down it. So I'm in two minds with that. So I'd rather be patient and get on with the next thing, I think. Thank you for watching. If there's any updates on this piece, I'll be sure to maybe record them and stick them up. I might even go to the lengths of kind of painting with some kind of racing stripes, or I don't know. We can get creative with that. But I think that'll be a separate video. Keep up to date. I'm on Instagram. Toby Southan Metalcraft. And yeah, let's make some more stuff.